Here we have a 70 plate BMW 320d M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We do have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and there's a look at that front end. Round to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the roof rails, shark fin antennae and rear spoiler. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We do have the dual exhaust at the back, power operated tailgate, and then making our way back round to the driver's side, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, in the back you'll find leather seats, foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well back here. We do have the M Sport style seat belts, the vents in the centre with the climate control for the rear passengers. On the doors you've got the electric windows and ambient lighting. Same leather seats for the front, both front seats can be heated. There's a quick look at them. Just take a seat inside and you'll find the automatic lights down there. You can also see ambient lighting strip across here as well. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, digital dashboard as well in front of us. Put my foot on the brake, start the vehicle up. We've got the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left, along with paddle shifters either side, automatic wipers, phone connectivity, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. You'll also find the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat-nav. If any of these lights are flickering, it's only the camera, so nothing to worry about. We do have many more features with the buttons down here, so we can click onto media and you'll find the different media options here on the left. We do have the phone connectivity for phone calls. We also have a range of apps that are installed, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if you go onto car, you'll also find the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours to go through. We do have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Dual zone climate control here for the front, as called air conditioning. We also have the heated seats either side. As you can see, they all work as they should do. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the drive modes just like so. Also changes the dashboard depending on the drive mode. Putting the vehicle into reverse camera and parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P. We then have the cup holders under there with the storage and also USB and 12-volt connectivity. Finally, we have the armrest here, which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport Touring. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us. And we are here at a junction. I'm going to put a right indicator on, wait for this van to go past, and then we're going to turn right, continue on our way, start to get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You will find paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to change gears manually. Now if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We've got plenty more features as well throughout the interior of the vehicle. Leather seats, for example, it's really comfortable. Both front seats can also be heated, making it perfect for them cold winter mornings. You'll also find the main infotainment screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but also has plenty more features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. And we do have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Dual zone climate control here at the front, as called air conditioning, making it perfect for them hot summer days. Now we are going to take a right turn, so again, indicator on, we're going to slow down, make sure there's no traffic, and then turning onto Groby Road, and again start to accelerate, get up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. We do have the different drive modes, got little switches or little buttons down here, so you can easily switch through the drive modes while driving. And we are coming up to the dealership here. We take it nice and steady around this bend, slow down, left indicator on, and then turning onto the dealership. And I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hold onto the brakes, into reverse. Got the reverse camera up here on the screen. Back into drive again, as you can see, with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with a customer price review. That's all for me today though. Cheers.